Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your cooking experience, the MsMk 10-inch frying pan with lid. This isn't just another skillet, it's designed with some pretty impressive claims about durability and performance, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what makes this pan stand out, and a big part of that is its construction. The professional heat distribution is a key feature. MsMk boasts a 4 mm thick smooth stainless steel bottom paired with a non-stick frying pan design that has a thick mouth and a thin body. The idea here is that this combination allows for more even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface. No more hot spots that burn your food in the center while leaving the edges undercooked. This is crucial for achieving consistent results, whether you're searing a steak, sautéing vegetables, or making delicate eggs. Speaking of eggs, they're often the true test of a non-stick surface. This pan features a 5-layer limestone coating design, which is advertised to be incredibly durable and stable. They claim it can last for 20 years with daily use, which is a bold statement. This coating is also described as being non-stick even when scorched, and it's resistant to scratches, crushing, and peeling. They also highlight that it's high-temperature resistant, which ties into its oven-safe capabilities. The handle is another important aspect of any frying pan, and MsMk has focused on comfort and safety. They describe it as an anti-scalding and comfortable handle. It's designed to stay cool during use, making it pain-free to grip and lift, even when the pan is hot. The weight-saving design and non-slip surface are also meant to contribute to a secure and effortless cooking experience. Compatibility with different cooktops is essential for most home cooks, and this MsMk pan is designed to work with all of them. It's suitable for induction, ceramic, and gas cooktops. The heavy-gauge 4 mm stainless steel bottom is not only good for heat but also for induction. They claim it makes inductive heating 15% faster than comparable heavy-duty cookware. The smooth, no-hole bottom design is a nice touch, especially for those with glass stovetops, as it's designed to prevent scratching. Beyond stovetop performance, this pan is oven-safe up to a remarkable 700 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a whole world of cooking possibilities, from finishing off a pan-seared dish in the oven to baking a frittata. And importantly, it's a PFOA-free design, which is a significant consideration for many health-conscious consumers. The scratch-resistant nature of the pan body is further emphasized, with the claim that it can withstand scratches from hardwood spatulas even at high temperatures. The lid is made from shatterproof tempered glass, offering a clear view of your food as it cooks. Now, let's break down the pros and cons based on these features. On the pro side, the claims of superior heat distribution and durability are very appealing. A pan that heats evenly and lasts for years is a significant investment. The multi-cooktop compatibility is a major plus, making it versatile for various kitchen setups. The comfortable, cool-touch handle is a thoughtful design choice that enhances safety and usability. The high oven-safe temperature is also a strong selling point for those who like to use their pans for a wider range of recipes. And of course, being PFOA-free is a positive for many. However, there are always things to consider. The claim of lasting 20 years with daily use is a very strong warranty promise, and while impressive, real-world longevity can vary based on usage and care. We'll have to see how it holds up over time. The term limestone coating might be unfamiliar to some, and it would be interesting to compare its performance directly against more commonly known non-stick materials. While they mention a 1-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee, the long-term claims are what really stand out. In conclusion, the MsMk 10-inch frying pan with lid presents itself as a robust and versatile kitchen tool. Its focus on even heating, durability with its 5-layer coating, comfortable handling, and broad cooktop compatibility makes it a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their frying pan. The high oven-safe temperature further adds to its appeal for versatile cooking. Link in the description.